Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have something special that me and my dad have been building together. We've been restoring it for a little while and we wanted to show you guys, and it's right here. Ready? And I'm going to show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We have to guess how old this bike is. I actually don't know how old it is, but it's actually, one thing I know, it's older than my dad. And that is, no?
Not older than me.
Around your age?
Yep.
So like 40? 40 years old?
Look.
1982. Oh my god. That's a long time ago.
So did we have fun restoring it?
Yep.
Are you curious to see how an old bike rides compared to a new bike?
Yes.
Okay, how about we go over a couple of the parts really quick. Okay, so the frame, the forks, the chainring, the cranks, the pedals, and the seat post clamp, and the stem, the handlebars are all original. The only thing that's been changed is it has new decals, new pad set, new brakes, new brake cable, new seat post, new seat, and new grips. So, and wheels. It had wheels on it. It had the original wheels on it, and we were going to restore them, but we had an issue with the hubs, and we're going to actually restore the hubs later, but we decided we really want mags because Emmett really likes the mags. So this part has all been redone. It's been re-anodized. The pedals have been seat post clamp, new tires, new stuff. So you ready to give it a ride?
Yep.
Ready to go for a ride?
Ready for a ride.
Okay, so you excited to try it out?
Yep.
How do you think it's going to be?
Easy.
Think it's going to feel different than your modern bike?
A little.
Yeah. Think it'll be faster?
Maybe. Don't know about that. It's gonna be a hard choice. That was funny. Right? That was funny. So it was fun riding the bike. It got a little hard on some because the seat is a little big. It's about the size of my waist, but see? So this is the end of our video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.